If your fireplace blower switch is faulty and stopping it from working, it can be super frustrating because that blower is what helps spread the warm air around, you know? So, first off, check if the switch itself is just dirty or stuck. Sometimes dust or debris can jam it up, and a little cleaning with a dry cloth or some compressed air might do the trick. Next, see if the switch wiring is loose or disconnected. Gently push connectors back in place, but only if you feel safe doing it. If you have a multimeter, testing the switch for continuity can tell you if it's dead. No continuity means it's time for a new switch. Also, make sure the blower motor isn't the problem by plugging it directly into a power source if you can, just to see if it runs without the switch. If the motor hums but does not spin, it could be stuck or need lubrication. Another thing, some blowers have a thermal fuse that cuts power if things get too hot, so check if that fuse is blown and replace it if needed. Always turn off power at the breaker before poking around to avoid shocks. Lastly, if you're not comfortable doing these checks yourself, calling a certified technician is definitely worth it to avoid any risks. One of the biggest mistakes with fireplace blower switch issues is ignoring the problem until the whole system stops heating properly. Fixing it early saves you from higher repair costs later. Another common issue is trying to force the switch or motor to work when it's clearly damaged. This can cause more electrical problems or even fires, so always replace faulty parts rather than patching them up. The third mistake is skipping regular maintenance like cleaning and inspecting the blower components. Keeping your fireplace blower clean and checked regularly helps prevent switch failure and ensures smooth operation. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know how to fix stuff like faulty fireplace blower switches without charging an arm and a leg. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who need their skills, making home repairs less stressful for everyone involved.